I'm going to share with you why exactly CFO advisory services are way more profitable than fractional CFO services, tax services, or bookkeeping services. A CFO advisory service is where you meet monthly with a small business owner. Let's say someone that owns a $2 million in annual revenue plumbing business. And in this meeting, you'll explain in language they can understand what's working and what's not working in their business. Then, more importantly, you'll give them a specific plan that if they accomplish it, will ensure their business stays on track to be a growing and successful business. This entire service takes around 4 hours per month per client, and you should be able to charge anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 per month per client. In fact, the average CFO advisor that has gone through our training charges $2,000 per month per client. Your client, in this example, the plumbing business owner, loves having a CFO advisor because you're not discussing accounting. You're discussing plans to improve their business. You see, business owners don't want to hire a CFO. They don't immediately see a need for this. When they hear CFO, they think expensive accountant. However, when they experience what a CFO advisor does, especially in the way that we teach you to deliver it, they really love it. They also love it because you're giving them a peace of mind. I mean, think of the person that owns a plumbing business. They so desperately want someone in their life that can just give them a peace of mind. They love the fact that someone who understands numbers and financials is keeping them on track towards owning a growing and successful business. Business owners absolutely love this. Plus, it's way more profitable for you to deliver as compared to fractional CFO, tax, or bookkeeping services. Why? Well, the CFO advisory methodology that we teach is way more profitable than fractional CFO services because fractional CFO services require that you customize an engagement delivery for each client. Each client will require that you reinvent the wheel on what they need. To make matters worse, you can't delegate or scale this work because it's highly customized. You're right back in the accountant's trap of trading time for money. Yes, you're able to charge more than tax or bookkeeping, but with fractional CFO work, the high price is required because you're pouring in a ton of hours per client. Plus, this prevents you from taking on other clients. With CFO advisory services, on the other hand, using a systems-based approach, which we call a productized CFO advisory service, you have the best of both worlds. You're able to charge a lot for this service, but you're only spending 4 hours of your time a month, or your employee's time a month per client. The margins are so much better. What about your existing tax or bookkeeping services? These services simply aren't scalable. Scalable means that you're able to increase your revenue without a substantial increase in costs. Whenever you take on a new tax or bookkeeping client, yes, your revenue will increase, but so will the time either you or someone on your team requires to do the work. This simply isn't scalable, as your time and your employees' time is finite. To make matters worse, tax and bookkeeping is seen in the eyes of your clients as a commodity, meaning most business owners don't know the difference between a good accountant and bad one. They think all accountants produce the same type of work, which means you won't be able to charge that much more than the going rate. This is only going to get worse with the increase of software, AI, and offshore accounting services eating into the market share. The way to future-proof your career and your income, you need to provide something that your clients want, which means you'll be able to charge a lot for it, while also delivering it in a systematized fashion, which means you're not back into the accountant's trap of trading time for money. Thanks for watching this video. The team here at the CFO Project has put together free resources just for accountants, bookkeepers, and tax professionals who are interested in providing a CFO advisory service. Click the link below or go to thecfoproject.com/YouTube. See you in the next video.